I've been working on this for a year, okay, with my brother. You guys don't get to see on the channel a lot, but he's been such a big help to me. So I happen to have been on the phone with him because we're working with something else right now on some other surprise for you guys, and this came, and so I'm gonna call him and we're gonna open it together with him on FaceTime. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what it is. Are you excited, Boogie? They don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is either.
Okay, I'm so nervous. I can't even deal. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my God, look at it.
Is it cute or what? What do you guys think?
And then part of the thing is we didn't want to just get out one feed. We know the importance of a big bird's diet is very different to a small bird's diet. We not only wanted to pick great ingredients, we wanted to pick great ingredients specifically for your bird's needs. We noticed a lot of bird seeds just throw in fillers to meet a certain weight criteria.
True.
And your bird never touches everything. We want your bird to enjoy this food. We want him to smile when he sees this food, and we want him to eat it all. And we're hoping that you'll enjoy it as much as we do, because we really put all our effort into it. You gotta feed a bird. Try and feed a bird.
Yeah, for those of you wondering why there's seeds in this mix, seeds are actually very important for birds. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, especially like West African birds. They need seeds in their diet, and also smaller birds thrive on a seed diet like cockatiels and such. But it even says on the back of my bag, this is not the only thing you should feed your birds. Mainly, you want to feed your birds fresh vegetables. A little bit of fruit, but mostly fresh vegetables. This is kind of like what you'll have in the cage as a supplement for your parrots. And with the pellets that are in here by Tops, you guys all know that Tops is trusted. We believe that with a mix of pellets, seeds, fruits, and vegetables, your bird is going to be extremely healthy, okay? And it's always important that they're eating their vegetables. I of course want to stress on that, but this is, I think, the most exciting thing on the market right now. Yay! Wait, relax. Like, it's like, don't just jump into it.
Am I supposed to like?
I don't know. I'm excited about it.
Okay, so bring out the drum roll.
Drum roll. Okay.
Come on, Rock.
Andy's very excited for you to see this. He's like, did George come home yet?
So I should go slow.
Stop.
Ooh, look at that. It's so cute.
It's so cute.
It's a lot of food, actually.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it feels like it's a lot. How many is it? Oh, it's 2.5 pounds. I love it.
Love it?
I do.
I haven't opened it yet. I mean, we obviously gotta do that.
They're so cute.
It's crazy.
I love how cute they are.
Have you ever seen any bird food that cute? This is very exciting
Should
for
we
me.
let them open the package?
Yeah. Oh, it smells so real.
What?
He likes it. He likes it. He went back for more.
Like it? Hello.
You like it?
That's so cute.
Oh, that's what he does when he likes stuff.
He's kissing me. Wow, it's so cute. I love you too.
Yeah, so that was the first day I opened it. Can you believe it? It's only been a few months and now we are here. And because of that, I want to thank all my fans who actually made this happen. Honestly, Northern Parrots is carrying this today, Marlene's signature blend with tops, because of you guys, because you wanted so bad for it to happen and we all heard you loud and clear. So remember, if you are anywhere in Europe, Northern Parrots will ship to you. And I want you guys to thank them by making Northern Parrots your #1 store to shop for all of your parrots needs. I love you guys so much. Enjoy!